C'était où? C'était là? C'est pas elle? Elle, c'est celle qu'on a fait tout à l'heure. Du coup, il faut que j'aille où? Que je l'ai noté celui-là. Atteindre la dernière position connue de l'Alliance. Elle est où du coup cette sonde? La planque est là-haut.
All I needed to do was look up.
So this means there's a view of the entire base from up there.
I'll confirm when I get there. But I know what's on your mind, sir. I could have been under surveillance ever since I arrived here.
Don't turn off your tracker. Maybe it'll give you a slight advantage before meeting them.
Il faut l'objet qui me permet de prendre contrôle des sondes. C'est celui-là, là. Faut que je trouve la sonde qui est arrivée et que je la fasse atterrir. Ok, c'est pas celle-là. On va reprendre du début. Non. Il y en avait une qui était trop loin. Je pense que c'est celle-là.
Right. Let's meet this probe. I'll bring it to the ground.
Et c'est un deuxième site d'atterrissage, ok. À côté de là où on était tout à l'heure.
Got it down.
Trophée obtenu. Yasna a opéré et posé au moins 2 sondes différentes. Incroyable. J'ai pas eu beaucoup de trophées dans le jeu. Hein. Je pense que j'ai raté à peu près tout ce que j'ai fait.
I'm looking at the slides.
Donc c'est bien la sonde qui suivait le convoi.
Oh, wow. The cloud in all its glory. Both fascinating and terrifying at the same time. People don't stand a chance. The cloud caught up to them and killed... No, not that. It didn't kill anyone, but neutralized them all. Which is even worse than death. That probe managed to evacuate. Waited still until I approached it. We know what happened after.
Apparemment on a gagné des entrées, mais où? Ça doit être dans le convoi avant. Ouais, c'est ça. Le nuage de mouches libéré par l'Alliance anéantit tous les humains et machines. Bon, eh bien c'est cool. Est-ce que du coup il faut qu'on trouve les 5 sondes? Ce serait incroyable qu'il y ait ça dans le jeu à faire.
I have to climb without safety equipment. Theirs is nowhere to be seen.
No alternative route?
Là, là. Il y a des traces blanches. C'est
This
par
way
là-bas
seems
qu'on
to be
passe.
the only one.
Jolie transition. Bravo le jeu.
Yasna,
I'm all right. I'm almost there.
perhaps it's the last moment to go back.
And do what? As far as I remember, we ran out of options here.
It's just, if I were you,
With all due respect, Astrogator, it is me being stuck on this surface. So if you let me, I'll take my chances. And I will find the man.
Et pourquoi on n'est pas allé à leur vaisseau directement? Ça, je comprends pas.
That view. It made the climb worth it already.
so you're on top.
Yes,
Activity within radius?
I heard no beeps. I see no dots. Shit! How?
What?
I
Et ben
found
voilà des copains.
Very well. Now keep your distance and be careful.
it. It's too late.
What? I can't hear you.
It's too late to keep.
Yasna, what is it?
Il est magnifique son pistolet.
Why is it too late?
Tout à fait
Yasna,
kitsch.
speak to me.
He's looking for others. He's.
You. What have you done?
Shit! He found you too.
Why?
And he's blaming us.
What did it gain you?
That's not good.
It's this planet. I'm trapped here too.
Get up.
So much for talking.
Yasna, don't provoke him.
If you would just listen to me for one moment.
I said get up.
Yasna rencontre un homme armé qui l'a fait prisonnière.
You don't need to be afraid. I come in peace.
Huh, save it. I guarantee you'll have time to talk later.
What a...
Just keep your mouth shut. For your own good.
Okay, stay calm. He's going to lead you to his superiors, which is good in theory.
Je vais me retourner pour le voir, mais c'est une mauvaise idée. Ah, il y a des petites pannes, Artie?
Wait. Don't move. You didn't even spare the Arctan. Got some nerve to unleash such murderous shit. Hey, don't turn around.
You're a scientist, just like me.
Yasna, what are you doing?
You don't shoot at people.
Shoot. He has a gun.
I'm a technician, smartass. Firearms or chemical weapons. What's the difference? Same outcome.
Look, I know that people have died. Your comrades. But you have to understand.
I don't know what you want with us. You will answer to the Astrogator. He will determine whether there's room for understanding.
That's right,
It's
obviously.
really not necessary.
But if you try anything, I'll do it. I'll shoot you.
Yes, no. I don't know what you're trying to do, but he sounds serious. There has to be a way.
Take it easy, please. I'll handle him.
Huh? What are you babbling on about?
You have a death wish. Only short answers from now on. I'll ask the questions and you'll answer with a short yes or no if you think it's safe to do so. Or some code. Maybe grunts. Do you understand? Do as you see fit. I'll help as best I can. Is there anyone else? Apart from him? So he's not alone. Are others close by?
Start, damn it.
Nuh-uh.
Got it. That's why I can't hear the...
Nuh-uh.
No? Not because of that. So there's a person who...
Nuh-uh.
Not a person.
When it rains, it pours, huh?
That's surprising. Do you have some alien there?
Oh, il est con.
Of course not. That's why I'm betting on a humanoid robot. The Electrobots have already been phased out, so it must be one of the Arctans. The model with a small head pressed into the body. One of those so-called porters. Theoretically harmless, but due to its tremendous strength and potential reprogramming, you best be careful around it.
Come on.
Do you want to tell me something about this man? Something about his appearance, maybe?
Il est plutôt beau gosse.
Does it concern his outfit? Which part?
Oh, you just had to...
Legs? Torso? It's about his torso? Must have misheard. Let's try again.
Je sais pas ce qu'elle veut dire en fait.
Legs?
Non, il y a rien sur les jambes.
Torso?
Non.
Work already.
Head? It's about his head? What could be so unusual? I don't suppose you can see much since he has his helmet on?
Nuh-uh.
Really?
Ah oui, c'est vrai qu'il porte pas de casque.
That's why I can hear him so clearly. If he's been without it for a long time, with these levels of oxygen and methane, he must be a lunatic.
It works. Let's go. Break time's over.
I can hear something's happening.
Keep it up. Straight ahead.
Where is he taking you? Do you think you could ask?
Where are you taking me?
You came here yourself. So what are you expecting, huh?
Don't risk it. Let it go.
You set up a field base down there, so I didn't expect you to have a second one here.
Yes, really?
Oh, really? I'm listening.
I have no idea what this place is, nor why or where you're leading me.
Doctor, bite your tongue for once. Thank you.
J'ai pas eu le temps. J'allais parler, hein. En vrai, s'il m'avait laissé du temps,
It's getting weaker.
j'aurais parlé. Il peut pas la fermer. Je vais rien dire.
Get in.
Go, Yasser. Stay calm.
Allons-y. Pourquoi il veut pas rentrer?
Go.
Yes, no, I'm here. I'll do everything in my...
Un drôle de petit gémissement. On va suivre le câble, hein. Mais t'arrêtes de me bourrer, toi. Non mais oh. Je fais ce que je peux, hein. Et il est tout seul, hein.
Sit here. And don't you dare move.
Bah.
That's even more than we need.
Il lui a mis une laisse. Et lui aussi, il fait le truc de la purée. Oh,
I'm glad
poupette.
to see you guys too. What about our friend? Still cranky?
Il a réussi à sauver des potes.
Speleologists weren't exactly the funny types. Although Spliscus the speleologist sounds pretty damn hilarious. Come on, you must be hungry. One for you.
Oui, je l'avais pas vu lui.
And one for Spliscus. I'll pass for now. Wouldn't be able to swallow anything anyway. Spliscus, my friend. It's just me. Take it easy. You're safe.
Lui, il a dû passer une sale semaine hein, quand même.
To have strength. Oh, gee, don't do that.
Il va se couper avec la boîte de conserve en plus.
It's tasty. Eat. Come on, eat. Did you like it? Very nice. A few more. Unfortunately, I don't have any good news. I've searched the caves. I know Dr. Magdov went down there. If only you could tell me which cave she worked in. Maybe it would be easier then. If only you could. Sebulon has also gone missing without a trace. I don't even know where to look. And the whole convoy crew. I'll go there tomorrow. Maybe by then, with reinforcements. And it went smoothly. And he objected so much.
On pourrait lui dire pour le convoi. Hein. Mais respecte la planète, non mais oh! C'est pas ta poubelle? Bonjour monsieur. Je vois bien que vous êtes intrigué. Et surveillez vos manières. S'il vous plaît.
Poor you. What's gonna happen to you?
Lendor, comrade. Don't be fooled. She's not our friend.
You don't know who I am, and you don't listen.
She's lying too. Sorry, I need to restrap you. I'll be broadcasting. And you, mind your own business.
Pourquoi il a pas son nom, lui, sur sa combi? L'étranger mène Yasna à sa planque où elle trouve deux autres personnes dans un état de torpeur. Tous deux ont été victimes du nuage.
Hello, Bridge. Rohitra speaking.
Rohitra.
Can you hear me? Over. You're still not getting through. This is an urgent announcement. It's the 26th day of the mission, 1300 hours, 42 minutes. I am reporting the presence of Commonwealth units on the surface of the planet. I have arrested one person. It's a woman, unarmed. I haven't noticed any other people or other units nearby, but this person was in active radio contact. I'm requesting backup. Over and out. Hey, Milos. Hope you're still in range. Listen, the Commonwealthers are here. I have one of them, a woman. She was talking to someone on the radio, but I didn't see anyone around. I see what you're doing.
I just wanted to sit more comfortably.
Yeah, sure. Better get comfortable with discomfort. We'll sit around for a while.
My name's Yasna.
Not that I'm asking.
You're Rohitra, right? I work as an astrobiologist.
Brother is a spy. Don't eavesdrop on me, Yasna. Don't talk to me.
I just wanted to ask.
Don't ask.
So what now? Talk to the wall?
I'm not prohibiting you from doing that. Yet.
Are you shielding yourself from the flies?
From what?
Flies? You named them that yourself. I mean, the Alliance did.
Seems to me that the commanding staff will have a lot to talk to you about. Fortunately, I don't have to.
Do you have air filters here? Did you know there's methane in the atmosphere?
I know. These tanks are a temporary solution.
Wait, Condor?
Condor what?
You? Are you from Condor's crew?
Yeah, so?
It doesn't make any sense.
Here we can agree. You're talking complete nonsense. What do you mean? How come that's such a revelation?
The Invincible was supposed to be here soon. Not Condor. Not now.
Where did you get this information from?
From intelligence.
There you go. Will you finally admit what you were up to here?
I'm from the Dragonfly, a small research unit. Our actual mission was coming to an end. We were on our way back when intelligence intercepted information about your ship.
Did they really send you to spy on us?
You could say so. We were supposed to seize this opportunity to surpass your research.
Then they led you on a wild goose chase. We didn't even have any research plan. We landed due to a malfunction in the main core. The work dragged on for so long the scientists were given permission to study the planet. They couldn't sit still in one damn place. That's all.
Fuck. Nothing adds up. But I know what's wrong with your comrades. The same thing happened to our people.
How many of you were there?
6 people. Only 2 of which are still unharmed.
Including you.
Me and our astrogator.
Is he around here too?
I'm the only one left on the surface.
So... not many.
I told you, we're a simple unit. Here's the rest. Gorski, a cyberneticist, a golden child. Serious beyond his years, yet full of youthful curiosity. Everyone was convinced he would get far, but he only managed to take a few steps. Marit, a geologist. Her mind's as sharp as a razor. She's tough on stupidity like no other. She was a dear friend of mine. Krauter, a chemist. Second in rank to astrogator. He was mortally wounded while wandering in a stupor. We don't even know how it exactly happened. Koval, our physicist. He's unresponsive now. Always had a gentle nature to him, and a rather peculiar sense of humor.
Show them to me. There were more of us. Much more. Milos left for Condor with the survivors. Those who were unable to do anything, really. I stayed to see if anyone else survived. And so we wait. What a shame.
Do you smoke?
I would if I hadn't run out.
Here.
C'est prudent ça de fumer sur une planète où il y a du méthane dans l'air.
Oh, Lems. That's good.
C'est bon, on
brand.
est dans une atmosphère contrôlée là, mais... Lui, il me fait un peu peur hein, quand même. Sachant que le nuage peut retourner les IA contre nous, peut reprogrammer les IA contre nous,
Let me
compliqué
tell you
quoi.
something you won't like.
Oh, I'm listening.
My blaster doesn't work. I destroyed its power supply myself.
What?
I don't want to kill anyone. Ever again. I'd rather not remember it, you know?
So, you've killed before?
This one time. One too many.
Par contre, il est dégueulasse, hein, vraiment. Ramasse tes ordures, mec.
When was the last time you had something to drink?
The last time? I don't even remember.
Thought so. It's water. Local, but treated. Go ahead. You must be thirsty after everything you've been through.
Thank you.
Dangereux, mais
Oh, I needed that.
Me too. It's silent for nearly 2 whole seconds.
il a l'air conscient, il a l'air plutôt...
Do you really know what's wrong with them?
I know what caused it. And
De l'eau, quelle planète horrible.
inhabited by microbots.
Là, je vais me
that
servir
your
un verre d'eau
scientists have
d'ailleurs.
called flies. Millions
Buvez
of
les amis, buvez.
microbots.
De l'eau.
A real cloud.
N'écoutez pas Opsimat,
A
buvez
cloud
de
of
l'eau.
flies, which can literally erase the human mind, wash away all memories.
That sounds... Can you prove it somehow?
You'll find everything in my journal, the course of events, pictures of the cloud. Should I throw it?
No, that's enough throwing. We'll do as follows. I'll give that astrogator of yours a message letting him know you're alive. Then I'll read your journal, and in the meantime, you will get some rest. You've been through a lot. Take my bedroll if you want.
Au-delà des clivages, Yasna a gardé l'esprit ouvert face aux membres de la faction adverse. Ok, donc ça aurait pu mal se passer en fait. C'est cool.
I think I've rested long enough.
On s'est fait des copains. Bon, est-ce qu'il a supporté la vision du truc? Lui, il me fait une trouille. Vraiment, ce gars-là, là.
Okay, take it easy.
Ok.
Rahitra, you don't mind if I play with your probe? Well, no answer is also an answer. Rahitra, are you sleeping? I'll take that as a yes. The antenna must be outside.
Du coup, il faut jouer avec la sonde. Mais il va pas être content si on fait ça.
Hello there.
Hello there! Salut Vel! J'espère que tout va bien. Ziou. Est-ce que c'est pas genre un énorme flag pour dire qu'on est caché là, d'avoir la sonde? Ah, il y a un véhicule ici. J'ai du mal à savoir où on est par contre. Je veux pas trop m'éloigner, je veux pas la casser sa sonde. On va la laisser tranquille. J'ai pas envie de faire de bêtises parce que ce serait con de se tirer les foudres du mec alors qu'on vient de devenir pote avec lui.
Sedative. Does he serve it to them in the food? Or does he take it himself?
Un petit peu de propofol. C'est quoi qu'il mange? Ils étaient pas 3? Il en manque un, hein. Il est parti faire un tour?
Hey, you! How did you get here? The Commonwealth? What are you doing here?
Take it easy, Rahitra. It's me, Yasna.
I do not know any... Hang
Oh
on.
là, oh là, oh là.
How do you know my name?
For crying out loud, we met
Il a des petits
yesterday.
problèmes de mémoire à
You
court
really don't
terme.
remember?
J'aurais peut-être pas dû boire l'eau.
Some new trick of yours? Damn Commonwealthers. Go on, answer me.
Put that thing away. We both know the blaster doesn't work. You told me about it yourself. And about the man you killed with it.
Fuck.
I know that you're waiting for help from the Condor. Doing everything you can to take care of Spluskus and Lendor. I know what's wrong with them, and I'm guessing something similar might have happened to you.
Can you somehow...
Let me finish. You have my journal. is in there.
Are you talking about this?
Yes. Read it. And I'll wait some more.
Ok, il va pas bien. Quelle galère. En même temps, il a le pistolet. Il a un pistolet de Buzz l'éclair. Alex disait la même chose, Vel, pour Wukong. Et du coup, c'est quoi que les gens lui reprochent? Bugger, c'est ça?
I've read enough. Take it.
Hey, it's going to be fine. We'll make it.
You're Dr. Yasna, right?
Yasna is enough.
Okay,
Pas fini à la
I
sortie.
have a favor to ask. Someone needs to go and find Milos. If that cloud really damaged my mind, then we don't know how much time has passed. In fact, I don't know anything anymore.
Don't worry. I was thinking the same thing. I'll leave right now. And you wait here with the guys.
Thank you. There's a rover down below.
Ah bah
You
du
must
coup,
use
si je m'en
another
vais, il va
exit,
m'oublier.
hidden one, so to speak. It's over here, behind me.
Après s'être réveillée, Yasna découvre que Rohitra ne se rappelle plus d'elle. Elle se dirige seule vers le Condor, laissant derrière elle Rohitra dans sa planque. Mais non! Mais non, c'est pas ce qu'on est en train de faire. Ouais, je comprends pour le spoiler. J'ai cru comprendre que c'est surtout que ça buguait de fou. Bah, jeu pas fini à la sortie, quoi, comme d'hab. Maintenant, ça devient juste normal, en fait, j'ai l'impression. C'est horrible. Et ça va finir par user les gens, hein, s'ils arrêtent pas de faire ça. Ça concerne peut-être pas toutes les versions, du coup. Il a dit derrière lui. C'est là, non? Non. J'hésitais encore sur quelle plateforme les prendre, du coup. Là.
Go ahead.
Ok.
I know it looks far from inviting, but good luck, Doc. Yasna.
Shit. That was... He was... I don't know. I gotta tell Navik everything. Whoa. That is one big
C'est
pile.
vraiment dégueulasse. Hein. Pile de boîtes. J'imagine que c'est là qui font pipi aussi. Hein. C'est con, hein, mais j'aime trop le fait qu'elle fredonne. Un peu les chemins au hasard là par contre. Je sais pas si c'est une très bonne idée. Ouais, je suis revenu en arrière. Ok. Alors. Ah, le rover. Est-ce qu'il y a un monde où c'est le nôtre? Avec notre petite Luna.
Base, come in.
Yasna. Good to hear from you. I admit that man's message fell short of reassuring me. Of those
C'est pas le
reinforcements
nôtre.
he spoke of arrived. I tried to intercept their response, to no avail.
No. On the contrary, I am supposed to follow them. There's something off with those people, Astrogator. I mean, more than I expected.
Are you talking about reinforcements, or have you met anyone else?
There were 2 more men with him, completely wiped out.
That doesn't surprise me.
Rahitra, on the other hand.
Yes, Doctor?
Beneath the rough exterior, he's just a confused man. I don't know what's wrong with him, but he didn't remember me this morning.
Has he met the Cloud?
Apparently. Oh, I haven't told you the most important thing. Condor's here.
Condor?
Yes. HQ messed everything up. It was Condor that was flying to Regis 3, not the Invincible. And that was some time ago.
Pas sûr qu'on puisse crapahuter dedans celui-là. Non. C'est juste du décor.
I'm following the transport that was headed there. We need to get to the bottom of this insane story.
Excuse my blunt language, Yasna, but I'm gonna beat the living shit out of our spies.
I'm counting on it, Astrogator.
Et du coup ça a forcément été creusé par un de leurs robots. Allez petit rover, vas-y! Allez, allez, allez! Un super jeu de bagnole! Ça c'est du burn-out ça.
I'm wondering, what is Condor doing here?
Rahitra claimed they stopped here because of some kind of breakdown. Nothing more.
Do you believe? Yes, sir.
Oui.
Yes, I'd say so. He seemed genuinely amused by our orders.
Well, I should congratulate him on a good move then. He started broadcasting. I'm intercepting his transmission. Please listen.
Boss, I don't know if you're there anymore. I sent someone for you. You will believe it. She's a member of the Commonwealth, and she's all right.
J'aimerais bien qu'on arrive à les sauver.
Probably even more than I can trust myself. But never mind. I'd just like to believe she'll find you alive. Over and out.
Yes, now, given the circumstances, I would count on.
I know, but I promised to do it, so I will. Besides, he'll only leave when he's certain that reinforcements won't arrive. And I don't want to be stuck in that cave with him forever. I've driven to the place where they were stationed before they set up the base.
Do you want to stop?
Ouais, on va jeter un coup d'œil.
Okay. Maybe I'll find something worthwhile.
Par contre, c'est peut-être une erreur. Ça va peut-être coûter la vie de quelqu'un, le fait que je me sois arrêté.
There's several Arctons here.
Are they still working?
Yes. I wonder for how long.
Je peux pas les identifier, eux.
Sometimes I think we don't stand a chance.
What are you talking about?
About us, Astrogator. Humans. Biological organisms. All this so-called life is so fragile compared to the lifelessness of machines.
So you found more bodies.
One.
Is it Milos?
No. Someone
Peps
else.
savent.
Well, you can't help him anymore. But there are still people who are alive and need you. Let's not forget about them. As you said yourself, Doctor. Please keep going.
Il y a une sonde et il y a un truc d'atterrissage de sonde. Il nous faudrait le truc pour la piloter. Est-ce que lui il est vénère?
And another one. Oh, the sight of death is starting to exhaust me more than frighten me. Which in itself is quite
Normal, Doctor. You're well aware that these are our survival mechanisms.
Yeah, I am.
Alors. Est-ce qu'on va apprendre des trucs nouveaux là-dessus? Il n'y en a que 2? Il y en avait beaucoup plus quand on les a prises. Je pense que c'est au-dessus du coup. Ah, consulter les nouveautés. Voilà. L'un des convois se situe au-dessus d'une zone hautement radioactive où ils ont découvert des fossiles d'organismes vivants. C'est la preuve concrète qu'il y a eu de la vie sur Régis 3. L'équipage du Condor découvre des structures métalliques d'origine artificielle. Il décide de faire fondre ces structures et les rochers avec de l'antimatière afin de déplacer la base. Est-ce que je peux identifier le mort qu'on a vu de loin? J'ai l'impression. On va essayer d'éviter de tomber. Je pense pas que ce soit possible. J'aimerais juste avoir un angle de vue où je peux voir son casque. Mais ça sera pas possible, je crois. Ça marche pas. Ah si, là. Oh, c'est sensible, hein. Mais non. Ok. Ben, tant pis. J'imagine qu'on se carapate.
Yasna, focus. What now?
Allez, on se casse. On va essayer d'aller trouver Milo. C'est marrant parce que ça a vraiment pas l'air naturel les...
There's a problem.
Les formations géologiques de la planète.
The route they took is blocked by a force field. There must be an energobot somewhere, but I don't know if I can get to it.
Maybe you can go around the field.
I'll check. Although... it's pretty narrow here. The route is blocked all the way across. Boulders are blocking the way, so even if I turn the force field off, we still can't proceed. Even if I find a way, I'll have to continue without the rover.
Wouldn't make much sense. Please keep looking.
Quand il a dit please keep looking, c'était de trouver un passage avec le rover ou c'était de... Ah ouais, non, mais de toute façon je peux pas. J'ai plus les commandes du rover, ok. Et ben allons-y.
A transporter. They're here. It's standing still. In front of the force field.
Is that Milos convoy?
I'll confirm soon, but there's someone inside. More than
Ah
one.
zut. Attendez.
Two.
And they're all in the transporter? Ready yourself for the worst, Doctor.
I am ready.
J'espère que le stream est toujours en route. Je pense que c'est bon. Hop. J'ai eu un petit problème de PC. Alors il y a beaucoup de points. Ils sont tous dedans.
I'm going in. Well, actually, I'm squeezing in. Still, no one here. They must be in the back.
Est-ce qu'on a envie de découvrir ce qu'il y a là-dedans?
Trying to turn the power on.
Moment of truth. Ah, it's on.
Did the door open?
C'est comme ça qu'on ouvre la porte?
Not exactly. The inner door is still locked, and the outer door is just shut. I repeat, now all doors... Wait! The back door opened.
Oh là, qu'est-ce qu'on va trouver?
No. This vehicle. It's a coffin, sir. A mass grave. They were all crammed in here. In the heat and darkness, with no chance of understanding what's going on.
Il va péter un câble, le mec, quand on va lui dire ça.
The number of registers, 428. Playing in broadcast mode.
Did you turn on the recordings?
No. It started automatically.
Hello, Condor. This is Will Hitcher speaking. It's day 26, time 8:05. I'm continuing my search for the missing crew. I've checked the excavation area. I've yet to find a person. Come here as soon as possible. Bring me back out. Over and out. Hello, Condor. This is Will Hitcher speaking. It's day 26. Time is 8:05.
Are you hearing
I'm
this,
still
sir?
searching for the missing crew. I've checked the excavation area.
He's repeating himself.
There was no one else.
Recordings,
We need help.
they're slightly different.
Comfort us.
That he has memory loss,
Over
we
and
already
out.
know. What strikes me, however,
Hello,
is the
Condor.
scale of it.
This is Rohitra speaking.
If all these recordings have the same content,
Time
He's been here for far too long.
8:06.
Far
I've
too long
returned
not to receive
from
help
the
from
excavation site. I was looking for others, but
Nobody will come.
they were no longer there.
I'm
I'll
afraid
continue
there's
my
not a
search.
soul here.
We're waiting for
This
your
damned
support.
planet, except for the three in
Come
the
back,
cave.
will you?
yes, ma'am. I have a request.
Hello, conduit.
Let's skip listening to the
This
rest of
is
the
where
report.
interest begins.
Can you stop them?
It's day
No way.
26, time
I'm not going back there.
806. I've
Well, let's
returned
change the time.
from the
One notch up.
excavation site.
That I can
I
do.
was looking for
All
others.
right. Talk to you in a second.
They were no longer there.
Ah, much better.
Agreed.
Bon. Dac. Ça veut dire... Ils sont morts. Il n'y a pas d'aide à attendre. Il faut qu'on trouve un autre moyen de partir d'ici. C'est quoi qui a fait ce bruit?
Astrogator, Rahitra is firing off flares. He doesn't realize yet that no one else can see them. Except me. If I don't snap him out of this damn loop, he'll keep doing it until he dies.
He goes insane. Yes, I understand the tragedy of this man. You want to save him. You want to save one more life.
Three more lives. I found a direct route. I'll be on the hill soon.
Moi, je me disais qu'elle était bien optimiste. Au moment où elle a dit qu'elle avait trouvé une route, il n'y avait pas de passage en fait. Elle ne voyait pas le passage. J'espère que le vaisseau est quand même toujours là, qu'ils sont pas partis sans eux, parce que si le vaisseau est plus là, comment nous on rentre? Probablement une soucoupe volante, hein. C'est sûrement comme ça qu'on va finir par partir, mais... Ah, si on part un jour. C'est rigolo comme le jeu me dit qu'il faut que je continue à pied. Il éteint le moteur de mon rover, tout simplement. Il dit non, à partir de là, tu vas à pied. Alors que là, le rover, il passait, hein, je suis désolé. Oh! Une soucoupe! Incroyable. Bon. On les ramène dans la soucoupe et on se casse. Ça me paraît être un bon plan. Est-ce qu'ils vont essayer de nous tuer, ceux-là? Comment on rentre là-dedans?
Yasta, back already.
I found Milos.
So quickly. Where are they? Tell me what's going on.
Yes, you have to tell him.
Calm down.
Est-ce qu'il va break
I'll
down,
tell
lui?
you everything. Maybe you should sit.
Come on, talk to me. I don't want to sit down.
There's no more Milos. Nor those he was transporting, nor anyone else. There's only the three of you left.
But you can't possibly know that. How could you?
Right. I'm not sure. But what I do know is that no one has come to help you for the last 428 days.
What are you talking about?
You've broadcast your morning message to Milos this many times. It seems that every night you forget what happened during the day.
400.
Ça explique la
I'm
pile
sorry to
de
hear such news.
la pile de boîtes de conserve en même temps.
You
Par
don't
contre, il
have
avait
to
une
wait
sacrée
any
réserve de
longer.
boîtes de conserve.
Hate to interrupt, but we have a problem. The cloud is coming.
Right now.
Yes, it's closing in on you. Hurry, Yasna.
Copy that.
Is that one of yours? What does he want?
It's our astrogator.
Attendez. Petite pause pipi, j'arrive. C'est le moment de tension, c'est pour ça. J'aurai de suite. C'est la merde.
He's warning us of the approaching cloud. Quick, get us to the hideout. Now, move!
Can he get through the force field?
Hey, hey! What are you trying to do?
I'm done waiting. There's no need to anymore. There's no one left to look for. All that's left is revenge.
Astrogator, I think he wants to fight.
What for? Can't you stop him somehow? You'll cause trouble for both of you.
I don't think so. He's already opened the field.
Listen, you can't meet and join him. You have a much better chance of surviving if you stick together.
Hey, Yasna!
What's this?
You familiar with the energy transformation of Dirac emitters?
Pas vraiment.
Thought so.
The emitter's energy system isn't that
Here, take it.
complicated.
You can help. By shooting. I'll take care of maintaining the force field.
Et qu'est-ce que je dois faire
When
avec
you
ça?
aim, wait for the green light. Then you can take the shot. The device is connected to 3 combat machines.
Okay. It sounds simple.
Oh! Ok. Du coup, on va tirer avec les lasers des antimates.
Let's stay in touch.
Copy that.
It's getting closer.
Il est où?
I don't see it.
Soon it'll be within range of the guns. It's coming from the east, over the hill.
Il est où le nuage? Aveugle ou... Ah non, il est là.
Affirmative. I see it.
Ok, on va essayer de viser l'endroit où le nuage est un peu plus...
Why not 100?
Ça marche. Il est pas mal notre anti-moustique. Est-ce que ça sert bien à quelque chose ce que je fais? Est-ce que j'ai de l'influence sur le jeu ou est-ce que c'est que de la l'esbrouffe? Bien que j'attende. En fait, il y a des lumières jaunes et elles me trompent un peu. On est mort? J'ai tout perdu?
Don't you give up now. You wanted this fight, so fight.
Pourquoi il y en a un que je peux pas? Ah, je comprends pas. Je crois que j'ai perdu une machine. Y'a plus rien de vert. Pourquoi y'a plus rien de vert? Je pouvais plus tirer. Je crois que c'est la fin, les amis.
The field keeps shrinking. Do something about it, will you? Rahitra, are you there? What's going on with you? Fuck.
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, Roitra?
You've got to be kidding.
Il est où?
Stay in touch, yeah? Good one. You could warn me before you bugger off someplace. Where are you?
Il a préparé un plan. C'est la merde. Il fait.
Yasta, get up, we're getting out of here. Yasta, get off your ass. The deal's almost done.
Where the hell have you been?
I had to secure my people.
We can't stay here anymore. It's too exposed. We have to run.
But where?
Isn't it obvious? Condor.
What are you gonna do?
We'll send the Cyclops out to fight.
Cyclops? That's a code name for...
It's more of a moniker. We're an 80-ton machine with firepower exceeding all Antimates combined. We usually use it in conditions of high radiation contamination, enormous pressures and temperatures.
Comment je
Due to the
monte?
interference of the force field, it floats several feet above the ground, so it doesn't depend on the surface. In addition to the Dirac force field, it has an antimatter spherical blaster.
Well, I hope you're right. Because I've heard about your power more than once. And all I see is one defeat after another.
Pourquoi je peux
In
pas
this case,
monter? moi?
Yasta, it's not just empty boasting. Sending the Cyclops somewhere is
Ah bah
like
voilà.
giving the task to the devil himself. Look, I'm giving you a simple choice, Yasta. Are you going or not?
Go where there could be water, medicine, resources, or stay here to die. Wow, such a hard choice. I hope I won't regret it. Too bad you didn't mention earlier that you had a working saucer. We could fly to Condor right away. Or even into orbit.
Working is a big word. It's just a tin can with a couple of sputtering engines. Controlling it technically doesn't work.
Somehow it does not surprise me.
T'inquiète, ça va marcher.
Just a minute. I'm waiting for the force field to shut down, which should be soon.
Wow.